Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna start with the Golang series in English, and we're gonna start by downloading Golang. Um, so first of all, you go ahead and Google Golang. The first link that you see, get started, and you see the download. So for Mac and Windows, it's actually fairly easy. You just go ahead and install it, and right now we're in the version 1.20.4. If you want more details, you can go into the godev/doc/install. Then you can see how you can install it in Windows. How Mac and Windows, you essentially have an installer. So you just download the installer and you're good. And Linux, as long as you follow the instructions, it's also fairly easy. Once you have Golang installed, you just want to make sure you have uh, Golang working. And I believe I didn't write it properly. Go version. There you go. Go version, and then so I had the 1.18, but you'll probably see 1.20 and the chip architecture that you have. So I have ARM64, but you may have x86 or whatnot. So let's go ahead and start creating our first Golang program. So the first things that you should know is how to create a Golang file. So right now I'm going to be using Vim, but you can be easily be doing this tutorial with VS Code, so that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is just like your sidebar in VS Code. I'm going to create my main.go, and inside of main.go is actually very simple. You put the package main, you put your function main, because very similar to C# and Java, you need to have your main function and then run all the logic inside of that main function. Obviously, as a program goes bigger, you can make the program modular, and separate those functions where you can have like those separate functions being called in a parent function, and then that parent function you can put it inside of the main. But that'll be something that we'll see a little bit further ahead. For now, we're just gonna do a format print. So remember to import that FMT, which stands for format. Some people call it FUMT. I really don't. I mean, I'm not against it, but I don't call it FUMT. I just call it format. So format print, and let's see. Hello, YouTube. So we're gonna be saving that, and then just like in VS Code, I'm gonna pop up my space in this case because the whole thing is a terminal. But I'm gonna pop up this area where I'm going to first of all compile. So I'm gonna say run build and point to the file. Normally you point to the main.go file to compile all the program. So there you go. And what this did is it compiled a binary for my specific system. So it compiled a binary for macOS ARM64. Now later, when you deploy to production, you can also specify a compiled binary for Linux, which is something that is really cool about Golang. But for now, as long as you do go build main.go, that will suffice. You can also, once you have the compiled version, you can do /main and you see the hello YouTube. Or Golang provides you also a functionality that does the two things in one single command line. In one single command. So you do go run and then point to the file where you want to run. And as you see, it builds the binary and then it runs it. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete the main binary. So there you go, and I'm gonna run again, go run main.go, just so you can see how it was created. I believe it's created and ran. Maybe I need to, okay, so maybe it is deleted afterwards. But just know that you can run it and when you run this command, it will compile and then execute. So yeah, this is all the basics for this video. And then on the next video, we'll see more topics regarding Golang. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.